Good morning, dear students. Welcome to PNMRC e-learning classes. Sideways senses. All of these questions require you to think sideways. How good are you at? The question 1. What will come next in the series? 5, 11, 23, 29, 41, 47. If you mark there is a difference between of 7 numbers or 6 numbers or 5 numbers, there is a difference between the numbers. So after 47, the answer will be 59. Second question. There are 30 girls sitting in a straight line. If Rita is 17 from the right side and Sita is 17 from the left, how many girls are sitting between Rita and Sita? So, between them, two girls are sitting. Third question. If a watch starts to travel backwards, what will be the actual time on a regular watch when the first watch shows 6 hours 34 minutes? What will be the time if you go back side? See in that I have drawn and diagram E, D, C, B, A. I have written the time also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the timing will be 5 hours 26 seconds. Question number 4. 5 friends A, B, C, D, E live separately in any one of the 5 houses numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The houses are in a straight line. Lives in number 5 but does not live next to E. B lives 2 houses on the right to D. E lives in the extreme left. If you are facing the houses C and D are neighbors, the number of D's houses is twice that of E, which is twice the number of B's house. What is the number of C's house? The C's house answer is 3. Fifth one, a father had 3 sons, A, B and C. When he died, he left half of his total money to B. He gave C rupees 5,000 more than he left to A. If A got rupees 10,000, what amount did B get? B will get rupees 25,000. Then sixth one, this is a 3 into 3 grid where the center square is not in play. Using the numbers 1 through 8 once and only once, can you place the numbers in such a way that no two consecutive numbers are next to each other, including the short diagonals as noted by the 4 arrows. This one you can do it in your textbook. Our second topic is about chemistry curiosity. Chemistry is the study of all kinds of matter around us. This makes it exciting because chemistry teaches us to put the materials in our world to the best uses possible. So, let us see the questions. Number 1. Which is the most abundant metal in the Earth's crust? The answer is aluminium. Which two elements make up human teeth? Answer is calcium and phosphorus. By what familiar name is the compound sodium bicarbonate known? Answer is baking soda. What is the chemical name for common salt? Answer is sodium chloride. Fifth one, the chemical formula for which everyday item is H2O is water. Sixth one, what kind of chemical compound is vinegar? It is an acid. Seventh one, what is calcium hypochlorite used in homes as bleach? Eighth one, what elements are used in making brass, copper and zinc? Ninth one, what elements are used in making bronze, copper and tin? Tenth one, which gas when solidified is called dry ice? Carbon dioxide. After learning chemistry curiosity, Let us learn biology bouncers. The science of biology is crucial to our existence. After all, it teaches us about our own lives and those of the living things with whom we share this planet. So let us see questions. Through which organ do fish breathe? Answer is gills. Which compound in our blood gives it its red color? Hemoglobin. Which common household reptile can shed its tail to fool its predators? Answer is gecko. Veins carry blood from the body to the heart. Which vessels carry blood from the heart to the body parts? Answer is arteries. Fifth one, what do we call animals who can adjust their body temperatures to outside conditions? Warm blooded. Seventh one, Sixth one, if hibernation is sleeping through cold weather, what is sleeping through hot weather? Answer is estivation. Seventh one, what is called the basic unit of life? Answer is cell. Eighth one, by what process do plants make their food? Photosynthesis. Ninth one, what medical process prevents dangerous diseases from occurring? Vaccination. Tenth one, what fungus is added to baked foods to make them fluffy? Answer is yeast. Third topic is about literary labyrinth. How many of these literary terms can you name from their descriptions? So, our question number 1 is about a word that resembles or suggests the sound that it describes. The answer is onomatopoeia. Second one, the repetition of the sound of the first or second letter in a series of words to create a musical effect. Answer is alliteration. Third one, the repetition of vowel sounds in successive words to create a musical effect. Answer is assonance. The repetition of constant sounds in successive words to create a musical effect. Answer is consonance. Fifth one, a figure of speech in which a person not present is addressed is apostrophe. An exaggeration used to heighten the effect produced. The answer is hyperbole. Seventh one, a figure of speech where the reality is the opposite of what is being implied. Answer is irony. Contradictory words placed beside each other. The answer is oxymoron. Ninth one, the expression of sound, smell, taste, or physical feeling through language is imaginary. Giving human attributes to an animal, objects, or idea. Answer is personification. An implied comparison between two things that are dissimilar is metaphor. A direct comparison between two things that are dissimilar is simile. The introduction to a literary work, prologue. The conclusion to a literary work is epilogue. Our fourth topic is about warnings of the world wars. Twice in the 20th century, war broke out at such a devastating scale that people named it a world war. This where war was caused widespread destruction of lives and much else that was great about humanity. Therefore, it is important to learn about these wars so the human race does not go ahead and repeat the same mistakes earlier generations made. So let us see the questions. The MCQs has been given. First, between which years was World War I fought? It is in 1914-18. Second one, between which year was World War II fought? 1939 between 945. Third one, which of these nicknames was World War I also known by? It is known as the war to end all wars. Fourth one, which countries were known as the Axis powers in World War II? Answer is Germany, Japan and Italy. Fifth one, which countries were known as the Allied powers in World War II? Answer is USA, USSR, UK and China. Sixth one, the Ottoman Empire was a participant in World War I. What modern country do we know the Ottoman Empire as? We know as Turkey. Seventh one, which two modern countries were a single empire during World War I? Answer is Austria-Hungary. Eighth one, who was the president of the USA during World War II? Answer is Franklin D. Roosevelt. Ninth one, what was the name of the American military base that Japan attacked without warning in 1941? Answer is Pearl Harbor. Tenth one, which Japanese city apart from Hiroshima did the USA drop an atom bomb on in 1945? Answer is Nagasaki. By what name is 8th May, the day World War II ended known as? It is known as 5th Day. Which organization was formed after World War II to prevent further wars? The answer is the United Nations. Children, there is some info logo at down in page number 15. Since India was ruled by the United Kingdom during the early 20th century, millions of Indians were sent to fight in both the world wars. Their contributions to these wars were immense. Fighting in very difficult conditions, thousands of Indians lost their lives. The India Gate in Delhi was built to honor Indian soldiers who had fallen during World War I. The Delhi War Cemetery honors those fallen in World War II. Thank you, dear students.